What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo. इस वीडियो में मैंने शेयर किया है एक लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन ट्रेड जो कि मुझे दिखाता है 5000 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट ऑन अ कैपिटल ऑफ 3 लाख रुपीज़। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। This is what I have done using 3 lakh rupees, which is pretty decent, 1.5% के हिसाब से अगर हम लेके चले so। और आगे सो अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने मेरा फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो द लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। गो अहेड जॉइन दिस चैनल। यहाँ पे मैं मार्केट में लाइव मार्केट में जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं, कौन सा हमारा ड्रॉन लिक्विडिटी होता है बेस्ड ऑन आईसीटी कॉन्सेप्ट, स्मार्ट मनी कॉन्सेप्ट, मैं सब यहाँ पे शेयर करता हूँ। एंड एग्जैक्टली इस वीडियो में भी मैंने लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन शेयर किया है फ्रॉम माय एंट्री टू माय एग्जिट। एवरीथिंग आई हैव शेयर्ड। बेसिस क्या था? द मार्केट शुड रीच टुवर्ड्स द 3 मंथ 25% एफईजी। ये सारी जो ड्राइंग्स है मैं यहाँ पे आपके साथ शेयर कर दूंगा आज के आज ही, सो आप इस ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। ऑल्सो आज के एग्जीक्यूशंस थोड़े chaotic थे बिकॉज इनिशियली द 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम वॉज नॉट शोइंग अप ऑन ट्रेडिंग व्यू, बट उसको फिर क्लोज करके स्टार्ट किया एंड समहाउ इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। सो आपको थोड़ा सा chaotic चीज़ें दिखेंगी, थोड़ी सी मेसी लगेगी, बट द एग्जीक्यूशन was taken pretty well. I was pretty happy. Somewhere here we executed, we waited. एक wrong entry हुई, then there was a re-entry. So I take losses, that's fine, but I quickly exit the losses. And then I know कि अच्छा ठीक है, this trade can still play out. So I stick to it, stick to the idea. I add positions. I hold on to those trades and everything. I do a lot of things. So you can, अगर आप consistently इस channel पे बने रहोगे तो आपको वो सारे एग्जीक्यूशंस मैं हर वीक 2 से 3 एग्जीक्यूशन जो मैं लेता हूँ वो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। सो इंश्योर दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड yes, let's just jump on to this video. Hello everyone. So this is the chart for 4th November 2024. The expectation is very clear. I want to see the price run down and take out this monthly low right here. That's a very clear expectation I have. Even though we have this fair value gap. So if I mark this fair value gap here, I would expect the price to run to the 50%, or the best case scenario is to see it run for the 25% of this fair value gap, which is at 24,163. So that's what I'm anticipating right now. I'll start with marking a few things. Number one, 630 is where I'll delineate this. Start marking the NDOG. This is what we have. The another best case scenario is the 3 month 25% equity. A new low has been formed. Let's see if the price can start reversing from down from there. High chance that the price will do that. This is not showing on the 1 minute, and that's why I have to set so many charts today. Volume imbalance right there. Take a trade. It's not the best thing to do right now. This is what I can see. My anticipation is to see the price run down towards the 3-month 25% FPG. For now, my stop loss is going to be right at this point, this fair value gap. I don't want to see it fill entire. Okay, it can be a little tough. I want to see a quick drop from there. If it's not happening, I have to close the trade. Need to see a quick drop from there. Using that as an inversion, this should show a quick drop and not trying to fill the entire FPG. That's not something that I want to see. I want to see this fair value gap fail. This fair value gap should fail. If it's not failing, I have to change my view. Okay. It's a little risky there, definitely. Still trying to see what the prices can do. That 50% of the rejection block should not be tapped in. That's the most logical stop loss we can keep, but then will be a little too high to expect. I want to see this start dropping down right from here onwards. I want to see it start dropping down right from here onwards. That will make a lot of sense to me. I want to see this fail and act as inversion. This is important for me to see. This should fail. If this is not failing, this won't be good. I want to see that fail. Okay, it's not good. It should start. No, no, no. It should not do this. So I'll have to. I'll have to be very cautious. I'll have to just close the trade. High chance I'll have to collapse the trade. This 25% FEG is pretty nicely open up for us, but the prices are not dropping down the way it should. So I have to take a decision here. For now, this is my stop loss. If the price runs for it, I'll take that out. And then we'll see if I get a re-entry or anything. I can do that later on. Come on, Shunya, what is wrong with you? Hmm. Alright, so we're still here watching the prices. I like the resistance now, but I want to see it still drop down quickly to the downside. Can I get to add a position there? I'm not too sure. It's influence target. So target has kept dropping. Need to see this resist now. It should not break above it. Then it won't be good. Just 30-second time frame. Watching it right now. This is a fair value gap. My stop loss is right there. Let me just check it. Currently it is at break even, so I can put it up here. That's going to be my stop loss. And this is going to be my target for now. Alright, so it's not easy for us to really see the target right now. It's not easy, to be honest. I'm very quickly expecting the prices to show something that is bearish. If this does not happen, I have to collapse the trade. Yeah, it's not the best thing to do right now. Okay, so there's a spike and I'll have to collapse the trade. It's fine, I'm down like 1500 right now. There can be a re-entry, so I'll just look at it. Okay, so that was quick. That was actually very quick for the markets to start dropping down. Alright, so I've re-entered and my trade entry is somewhere here. I'll keep the stop loss the same. I want to see it stay below this, so I've re-entered. Re-entering is not a problem for me. We always do that. That's not fine. I want to see the price drop down quickly now, and I'll try to add when the prices are trying to break down below this fair value gap. That's where I'm going to add another position into this trade if it gives me an opportunity to really do that. Just being mindful of it. Stop loss is something. Alright, so still the chances are a little less, but we'll just check. The probabilities can be in our favor, so I'll just wait for it. I need this to act as an inversion fair value gap. Very important there. The drop should be a little quicker from here. I haven't added any position, but I'll do it once we try to break down that area. Chances are that I will do that. So my stop loss now is going to, the drop is good, but I will have to add another position. Because if I don't do that, high chance that we'll miss something from it. We won't really miss something, but some orders. Let's see if there's something that we can get out of this. Yeah, that's a fair value gap. So I don't want to see the price tap into this fair value gap once again. We have a few points left. I want to see this area act as resistance and really drop down for me to see lower prices. Okay. If it's not giving me any opportunity to re-enter, it's fine. I will take this into consideration. That's like 50 points more. Stop loss has been trailed to this inversion gap high. I am not taking any partials. I'm just going to wait. If the price starts breaking below this low, that's where I will add another position. I want to see the price start breaking below that low. So stop loss currently, I'll just keep it. Yep, that's fine. That's fine to me. We have a VI. Let's just see what the prices are willing to do. I don't want to see the price turn around on me so quickly right now. I mean, after showing me the such moves, it should not really do that. So it should start dropping down below and just try to break below these levels so I can add more positions to it. So this is a perfect stop loss for now. If the price decides to start going up, I'll close the trade there. I want to see things turn down from here onwards, start dropping below this. That is going to make a lot of sense to me. I may want to add a position right there, just below that, when the price are dropping below it. I would like to do that addition. I like to see how the price are going to react into this. Want to see some sort of rejection from there. The rejections are there and the prices are definitely dropping down. Same 5. So there's going to be 75 addition, right? I don't know why it didn't got executed previously. But anyway, I'm anticipating a run here. So I just keep it a little lower. Okay. As you can see, we are only trading around like 2000, 2400 or 500. So this will now drop down to break even. It's not the best case scenario because my average is very bad. I don't want to see this get tapped into. So this is going to be my stop loss right now. Right here, that's my stop loss. So let's see. Okay, that's deep. That's a little too bad. We'll wait. We'll wait for things to drop down a bit. So we've dropped down a lot, and that's the question here. Are we going to drop even lower or not? This is Nifty, and we did drop off very good. But this is where I want to see things really play around to the downside. If it can be quick, it will be better for us to see something. Hmm. Okay, so addition was not good. Trade addition was not the best thing for us to do. At that point, I guess, yes. Could have gone with a little lesser quantity there. That's fine. The objective is good. We'll just stick to that for now. 3 month, 25% APC. Right there. We can tap into this fair value gap. That's a thing the price can do. For now, my stop loss has been kept there, which is good, decent. I want to see the price start dropping below this low very quickly. If the price can do that, we have a very high chance for the prices to quickly go in our favor. That's what I would assume. Yeah. Alright, so my stop loss is going to be this right here. If it takes that out, fine, I'll collapse the thing. This is very close. This is a very high expectation for the prices to reach for. So I'm anticipating this. Just like 40 points more. We honestly have no problem in seeing that. Should not have any problem in seeing that, honestly. Alright, so I'm about to collapse this. Okay, I'm about to collapse this. That's it. Okay, exactly 5,000. Fine. So I wanted a little bit more. I wanted this to drop down to 3 month, 25% FEG. So to be honest, today was a little chaotic day. I did not like the way I traded. Honestly, I did not like the way I traded. The executions and everything was a little chaotic, but fine. I guess you understood the trade management and everything. I was not at any given point. I was not in a situation where I was about to blow up things for myself. If you look here, my capital is 3 lakhs. Come on, 3 lakhs. The profit made is 5,000. So it's more than 1 point, yeah, it's more than 1.5%. So that's what I'm aiming for. And I had to close this because of the price now taking out this new low. So it's all good. If we could have got a little more, like 500 extra, that would have been nice. But anyway, this is where I'll collapse this. Thank you so much, guys.